So on guys, my first review on PCDollarStore.com. I created this name about 10 years ago maybe. This is just to be able to, I have a fascination with getting older computers a new life. So I started doing this as a project. So we got this MacBook Pro. This is the late 2011 version, I think it is. That in the background is my son watching Trolls favorite show. Now, back to this. So this guy, one of the older models, a lot of people really don't get into these or they're scared of these. This is a gem. Why? Because this guy, you can get one of these for 150 bucks and literally upgrade this computer and do a lot of things with it. So, okay, cool. Now, this came with a 4 gig standard 320 hard drive. You know, this is one of the standards that came before. We upgraded this guy for less than like 50 bucks or $60. We got it to upgrade. Oh, let me make sure. There you go. So what he got now is mid 2010. Increase in memory. Just put one memory slot of 4 gigs and then increase it to 6. And what I did is remove the 320 hard drive and put a 128 SSD. Hey buddy, I'm doing a video right now. Yeah. I'll get you the car when I'm done. That's my son trying to get a car under this seat. But to make it easy, this is going to be a quick video. Put a 128 SSD on this one. Memory, 2 and a 4, works pretty great. Make sure that you match the frequency. It's very important on Mac computers, that's for sure. Added a new battery, got a new charger for it, and literally this computer is back to life again, guys. I'm going to restart it for you so you can see it how fast it restarts. I'm going to go ahead and there you go. Again, and this is one of my favorite parts. How quick does it move? The screen is not cracked at all. It's really good condition. 150 bucks wasn't bad. They sold it because it had a bad battery. So battery for these guys are like 19 bucks. Aftermarket, obviously, not original. Charger the same, about 19. See how fast that was? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And went ahead and take the booting process. That quick. You back up and running quick as possible. All the features on this guy's great. The buttons are great. I'm telling you guys, this is a great computer. If you're looking for like a quick computer that can get the job done, this would be the guy. And it can hold up to a 500 gig SSD drive, and it'll make a big difference for you. So this is my quick review on the A1286 from MacBook Pro, the mid 2010. I got a couple more reviews coming down. Just recently bought some Mercury bulbs, Wi-Fi bulbs. I'm gonna let you know how that works. That was pretty cool actually. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.